As a filmmaker, AI is scary. Believing that it is enhancing my creativity when secretly it is replacing it. But what if there's a way you could put yourself in any world that you could possibly imagine while enhancing your creative style? AI is kind of like a hammer. It can be used to destroy something, or it can be used to build something beautiful. Step one is film your scene, and film your scene as close to the final result, meaning have the correct camera movement, have the correct subject movement, have the correct outfit that you want your subject to wear, or get near to it. The idea here is to film as close to the end result as you can, lighting, props, set design, and then use AI to complete the rest of the path that you can't afford or you don't have access to. Step two is to generate your new world. I'm going to think of different designs that I like, wallpapers, flooring. What styles do I like? Obviously, like most of the world right now, I really enjoy the liminal space look, the dreamcore look. I will go into Nano Banana 2 within Higgsfield, and I will start to describe the location. Get creative. Start describing every little aspect you can of this new environment. After you've generated your world, generate a few images. Get a few close-up shots of different textures, of different rooms if it's an interior. For the next step, you're going to take a screenshot of the video you're wanting to edit, and you're going to take the reference environment images that you just generated, and you're going to put into Nano Banana 2, edit at image 1, referring to your screenshot, so that the environment matches the environment in at image 1, at image 2, at image 3, however many reference images you have. The next step, you are going to take your video reference into Higgsfield, into Cinema Studio 3.5, and you're going to take your image generation, and you are going to say, replace the environment in at video 1 with the environment in at image 1. Ensure that the camera movement, the subject movement, the lighting, the clothing, whatever you want to stay the same, make sure that the AI knows that it's going to stay the same. Whatever you created from scratch, leave that the same. That's how we're going to ensure that it stays your look and your style. After you generate a few times and you get a video that you like, now we're going to re-edit that video, plug it back into Cinema Studio 3.5, remove the subject in at video 1, ensure the camera movement, the color palette, the lighting, everything stays exactly the same. Just remove the subject. Our next step, we're going to go back into Davinci Resolve or Premiere Pro, whichever one you're using. And a nifty thing about Davinci and Premiere, Higgsfield just released plugins that go directly into the editing softwares, so you don't even have to go to Higgsfield to do some of these steps. You just go directly into your editing software and use Higgsfield from the software. That's cool. Okay. All right. Check the link in the description if you want to download that. So now we are going to composite. We're going to take our original video and we're going to mask our subject using Magic Mask, or in Premiere using their AI masking tool. And you're going to throw your subject on top of your environmental shot that you've generated. And if it's done properly, after a few generations, it should match up pretty well. Now the final touch is to ensure that you color grade the overall image to help it blend together. If you'd like to see exactly how I color grade my AI footage to make it look more real, make sure to check out this video, or you can download the color pack, Your Mom's Essentials, and have it done for you. Now, when it comes to the AI tools that I utilize the most in commercial productions and they enhance my creativity, there are 5. Number 5 being generating a new world from scratch using the image generator, taking your thoughts and visualizing them for people to see. Video to video generating, so being able to upload a video and extending it or connecting the dots between two videos with a transition. The Magic Mask tools, the masking tools to be able to composite your subject into new worlds or into different scenes. Reframing, leveraging the footage that you've already captured and being able to reframe it to optimize it for other platforms. And my favorite tool is enhancing your props and your environment using video editing within Cinema Studio 3.5 or CDance 2.0. If you like this video, make sure to like it. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Remember, it only takes one to start creating. It only takes one to use AI to enhance your quality, not replace your content. It only takes one to make a change, and it only takes one to change the world, and that could be you. See you next time.